Our team will be handing out mics to those who submitted questions. But first of all, I asked you this earlier, but for these guys, how do you feel about this record? It is the biggest, best movie ever of all time with the record we hit. And they just said kanina, kaya na mag-1 billion tonight? Bukas! Yeah? Bukas! Ano ang pakiramdam, guys? To be part of this massive hit.
Surreal yung experience, and syempre I would like you guys to take credit for it as well. Hindi naman po mangyayari yan kung hindi dahil sa suportan yung lahat po na nandito, and of course all over the world. So hindi lang po sa amin yung success ng nangyayari sa film, kasama po namin kayong lahat doon, so maraming salamat po.
Yes, sobra-sobra to sa hiniling namin, and
good things come to those who wait. Kasi you might have heard, I told the guys na nagkaroon ng delay. You waited for like an hour? I'm so sorry again. But this is worth it. So hence the energy. Grabe ang sabik.
sorry, we're so sorry for the delay. So, nandun kami, ino-update kami, pero at least natapos yung pelikula. I'm sorry po talaga. Hindi na hawak ng team yun. But yeah, so like what he said, everything happened so fast from January hanggang we started shooting, and then we did the promo for a couple of months, and now we're here in LA, and then we're gonna fly to Dubai next week. Ang bilis! Parang walang time to process. But siguro yung maganda sa lahat ng nangyari, parang meron kaming may good news every time. And parang yung mga pinupuntahan namin, no matter nasa Pilipinas or nandito sa America, ang yung warmth ng natatanggap namin sa lahat ng pinupuntahan, grabe. So thank you for welcoming us here in LA.
My question is, how did you build your chemistry on set, and were there any like unexpected or fun moments that helped bring the relationship to life on screen?
Good question.
Actually po, the chemistry naman po with Kath and I, and of course all of the other cast as well, came in very natural po eh. Parang we didn't force anything. Actually, wala rin tayong workshop with this. We didn't do any workshop, same po with Hello, Love, Goodbye. And I think one of the best reasons behind that is the friendship that we have, is the trust that we have with each other. Yun naman po the basic foundation of any relationship is trust naman yun. So nandun po kami. And of course, we strongly believed in the story. Of course, alongside with our head writer, Miss Carmi Raimundo. Sobrang swept away po kami nung storytelling and nung continuation ng story. Kasi actually, yun din po yung isa sa mga fear namin, actually all of us, na napakahirap pong sundan, napakahirap gumawa ng sequel. In any other films, yung gagawa ka ng pangalawang movie for it. But yeah, I guess yun yung isa sa mga bagay na nakatulong sa amin. That's why we were able to deliver and bring back Joy and Ethan to life.
Natin sa Philippines, grabe yung support nila, and we just couldn't ask for more. So kung ano yung mga dadating in the coming days, we're just grateful. Okay na kami. So thank you sa lahat ng mga nandito na paulit-ulit na noon.
So, you all know 5 years in the making itong sequel. Some of them don't realize the behind-the-scenes story of how long the wait was. When you guys found out it was gonna be made, tell us a bit of that story na kung kailan nyo nalaman na finally gagawa ng sequel yung Hello, Love, Goodbye.
Actually we were also surprised that everything happened so fast. Parang first quarter of 2024, this was presented to us, sa amin po ni Kath. And then, since it's gonna be the same team naman, it's gonna be with Direk Cathy Garcia Sampana as well. And of course, Kath said yes also. Kaya nag-agree po lahat kami na gawin na tong pelikula. Because of course, 5 wait naman is a long period of time already for the wait. And at the same time, kami rin po, we're just very excited to know ano na nga bang nangyari sa kwento ni Joy and Ethan. And right cut to today, still parang ang bilis lang ng mga nangyari, and nandito na po kami with you guys and you were able to see the film, and we're just so grateful, and punong-puno po kami ng joy because of this film. So thank you so much po for the support.